Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you remove someone from best friends list on Snapchat, today in this video I'll give you two different methods on how can you do that. The first one takes some time to do and the second one works immediately. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. So open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Search for Snapchat simply like that to find it and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version to face no problems in the app. After that, you can quit from the store. Now open Snapchat, of course. Make sure you are logged into your account. From here, you can simply go ahead and tap on the Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen right here to open your profile. And here we are on your profile. You need to go ahead and scroll down until you find a category that says My Friends to find all of your best friends in one place. Towards the top of the screen, there is a category of best friends. Simply stop interacting with them for a while. Now, if you do that, it's gonna take again a while, but that is the best way on how can you remove them from there. So stop sending snaps and maybe stop replying very fast to them and they will be removed from the best friends list. That takes some time, of course. However, the second method on how can you remove them immediately is to tap and hold on their profile and then tap on manage friendship right here and then go ahead and remove them from your friends list. So basically to remove them from your friends list and then add them again. This might be awkward because they will get notification that you added them back and they will know that you have removed them in the first place from the friends list. But that is basically the fastest way on how can you immediately remove someone from your best friends list if you really want to do that. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and see you in another video, guys. Thanks for watching.